Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to repair the Microsoft Store on Windows 11 in about 1 minute. First, we will reset the Microsoft Store cache. Go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type WS Reset with no spaces. Then press Enter. A blank window will open for a few seconds while the cache is being cleared. When the process is finished, the Microsoft Store should open automatically. If the store works now, you can stop here. If the Microsoft Store is still not working, continue with the next step. Right-click on the Start button and click on Installed Apps. Scroll down the list or use the search box to find Microsoft Store. Once you find Microsoft Store, click on the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see the Repair option. Click on Repair and wait a few seconds for the process to complete. After that, open the Microsoft Store again and check if it works. If the store still does not open or load correctly, go back to the same Advanced Options screen. This time click on Reset and confirm your choice. This will reset the app data and settings, but it will not damage your system. When the reset is complete, restart your computer and then open the Microsoft Store again. This is how you repair the Microsoft Store on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.